We should go this way. I'm not wearing sandals.
I'm wearing sandals.
Whoa. There's a big yacht. It's called Waikiki Beach. Yeah. Hmm? Yeah, Waikiki. Yeah, this is a Waikiki Beach. Oh, man.
Pretty hot there.
Yeah, it is hot.
여기를 보니까 이제 알겠다.
이게 그러니까
다른
최고야,
그냥,
최고.
굳이 멀리 안 가는 이유를 알겠다. 나는
여기
왜 사람들이 멀리 안 가지? 그랬어.
여기 그러니까 여기에 그 뭐야 그 딱 긁히는 그것도 없고 포로도 없고. 가자. 그
이게 코브가 완만하게 되니까 되게 넓고. 그치?
그 웨이브도 이렇게 딱 안 맞게 이렇게.
왜 그런지 알겠어.
Today? Today. What time is it right now? It must be like 2 maybe. Maybe close to 2 o'clock. Yeah, maybe. But we need to go change though.
Oh yeah, we do.
Yeah. Maybe after we digest a little bit.
So maybe at like 3.
Maybe.
3:30.
But our plan was to kind of chill today.
Okay, I'll just relax it, I guess.
Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. 모르겠어.
Let's do.
Look at the size of this tree. Also, this is actually multiple trees growing kind of into one. Or is it? Is it just one tree just branching out or what?
Oh, it's multiple.
Multiple trees, right? Yeah, they're like
Like red
crisscrossing everywhere. Some doves, I see they're living inside. Yeah, over there. Whoa. Huh. It's almost like somebody made this on purpose. Wow. That's crazy. Or did somebody really did? I don't know. But either way, that's an amazing tree. Okay, we're gonna check out the Hyatt Regency Waikiki ABC store.